Now, if you ever found yourself at a crossroads where you don't really know what your audience wants, maybe you don't even know who your audience is or what to talk about to your audience, the content that they'd be expecting from you, this tool may solve that problem for you. This tool is actually called Answer the Public, and it is a really cool search engine tool that just with a couple of keywords can pull a whole bunch of data to really help you build content, understand your audience, and know if your messaging is correct. It's so awesome. I'm so excited to show you guys. Now, if we hop over to my computer, you'll notice I already have a search in place, and that's because with a free account, it lets you only do 3 searches. So we're gonna go with it and just see how it goes. Search volume, it shows you here at the top, is based on monthly searches for these keywords, and it'll even show you the cost per click if you're using these in your campaigns. That's incredible. And as you go down, there's some questions that are highly searched, and some things like that, like can a fitness instructor, like these are like maybe a little basic, but who can a fitness instructor work with? Who can a fitness instructor not work with? Can a fitness instructor do personal training? Like these are questions that could be a basis of a YouTube video. Who is the best fitness instructor on YouTube? Is that you? And so as you go down, these are 28 questions that it's showing you. It's showing the search volume to remind you, the cost per click as well, how to be a good fitness instructor. What is a level 2 fitness instructor? I don't know what a level 2 fitness instructor is, but maybe you do. And you can see the potential of ultimately getting a whole bunch of data of what people are searching, but also what you can talk about to continue to put yourself in front of those people that are searching for you. And you just continue to go down. This is absolutely incredible. The list goes on. There's comparison questions as well. So certified fitness instructor versus personal trainer, fitness instructor and personal trainer difference, fitness trainer and instructor, fitness instructor pros and cons. Like guys, do you understand what's happening here? This is basically building data for you to then turn around, create content back at the searches that people are creating. So if somebody is searching fitness instructor versus trainer, you can create a video talking about what is the difference between a fitness instructor and a trainer. That's good SEO. I'm super pumped about this. As you continue to go through, there's just different scenarios that you can pull this data. Fitness instructor Austin, crossword clue. Apparently there's a lot of stuff going on in Austin with fitness instructors. Guys, I think you get the gist. I heard about this tool, wanted to see it for myself, but I also wanted to get a little bit of a natural reaction of me kind of going through this for the first time. So I hope you guys enjoyed. So that's it for this video. If you're unfamiliar with who we are Repair My Funnel. We are a done-for-you tech support service. So basically, we are the guys that love to fix broken funnels and websites. If that's something that interests you, for a limited time, Repair My Funnel is actually offering this done-for-you tech support service for just $1 upfront for 30 days. Now, otherwise, I truly appreciate you guys being on this video with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future updates. And I will see you guys next time.